Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And I had a couple of friends of mine ask, well, how hard is dry fasting? How difficult is it to not eat or not drink for 3, 4, 5, up to 7 days? Well, you know, it's not hard. It's annoying. It's not hard. And if you're addicted to coffee and you go to decaf a few days before you get into a dry fast, it seems to go a little easier. But generally, it's just a situation where you've extended sleep metabolism. So it's not really hard. You do it every night anyway. And if this is your first time to my channel, there's lots of videos below to talk about dry fasting, how to do it, and what to do, and how it works. And welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Follow along with these videos. And but back to it. So basically what happens is, if you're considering a dry fast, like a 5-day dry fast, which is the one that the Russian doctors say will give you the only real benefits of dry fasting, all the benefits, not just some, all of them, that you'll notice a few things happening. What you're doing is turning metabolic switches on. Actually, it's by turning metabolic switches off, in fact, because once you go through all your glycogen in your muscles and in your liver, you end up losing energy because your muscles and your brain need glucose to work on, glycogen. And as they run out, you're going to get headaches and that kind of stuff. And you want to do this on purpose. This is a deliberate move to enter the extreme healing mode. And what I mean by that is turning on autophagy for days. Autophagy is the thing that works at night to clean things up. The last phase, chaperone-mediated autophagy, doesn't come on until right before you wake up. And that's the one that really takes care of the bigger problems. You know, these fluoridated chemicals, these forever chemicals, mRNA injections and all that kind of stuff. If there's enough time, they can be ubiquinated and tagged and dragged over to a proteasome to be ground up, which ends any of that genetic manipulation of your own cells. But you have to be into it, and you have to be in deep. And the way to get to it is deep ketosis, and that's what you do when you get rid of the sugar. It takes about 48 hours generally. If it's taking longer, you've got too many triglycerides and too much sugar in your bloodstream, it's helping get rid of that. But generally, it's about 48 hours. And when you do that, you end up flipping off these switches that are used for digestion, in particular, protein kinase A. And all the other digestive enzymes go to sleep. When that happens, your stem cells wake up. And especially a very special type of stem cells, Mus-AT stem cells in fat cells. And these are pluripotent, which means they can directly differentiate into any cell that's needed anywhere in the vascular system, because that's where they're released first. The fat goes into the bloodstream to start operating the mitochondria in oxidative phosphorylation. And the way to do that is to dry fast. You can't do it by ketogenic diets. You can't do it by all this other stuff. The only way to do it is by dry fasting. This is what the Russians found out. But when you do, all 220 niches of your stem cells are activated. They don't go into replication yet. Yeah, the Mus-AT stem cells are pluripotent. They go through your vascular system and start differentiating into vascular wall tissue, which repairs your blood system, your whole vascular system. The other ones go into something called interphase. Interphase is when the cell genetics open up. They unlace, they unwind. And PARP enzymes and base enzyme repair processes can activate to become active to identify problems on your genetic code, from radiation, toxins, agricultural chemicals, all that stuff, and repair it. It repairs it before they go to regeneration after the dry fast. You've stopped eating. So you're not putting any energy into the system that's necessary for cell duplication. Your somatic cells are asleep. Your stem cells go into regeneration phase and they get completely fixed. In fact, that stops if there's any damage. You're designed to do that. You're designed to fix yourself. Then what happens is a magic thing happens. Because you're not drinking any water, you're not giving the water to the parasites they need to stay alive. You're dumping all these toxins into the body system, cells, and the extracellular matrix, so there's no place to hide. You have all this toxic buildup in your gut, so there's no place for them to hide there either, and they can't live in that environment, so they start dying off. So you kill your parasites. You've activated your stem cells. You've been in autophagy long enough to get rid of all the real hard to get rid of waste. And then you just recover. You drink some electrolytes to restore your electrolytes, like magnesium, because magnesium is needed to get the ATP out of the mitochondria to use it. And potassium, sodium, all these things to help you in the recovery phase. And then just go back. Everything's fine. A lot of people like the 5-day for that reason. There's no real extensive electrolyte reloading. You can do it a little bit before the dry fast, but there's really not a big demand to regenerate or restore all your electrolytes after. So the 5 days are great. Start on Wednesday and on a Sunday. You can even do it at work that way. It's pretty easy. But amazing things happen afterwards, because after you start eating, your stem cells go into massive regeneration. Tens of millions of new stem cells are replacing burnout old somatic cells. Many have been removed during the dry fast, especially the senescent cells. So it's maintaining your body mass. They replicate with exactly the same genetic code as you have all over your body in 220 inches. So you are able to fight time by not losing body mass. You got to keep the body mass. You know, if you don't do this, that's why people get all old and frail. They never turn on the systems to maintain their body mass. But you can. You can with a dry fast, a 5-day. Start with a 2 or 3 day to show you can do it. Get used to this feeling of running out of energy at the end of the 2nd day, and realize that it's just you're operating your body correctly. You're operating the systems that can repair you and regenerate you. You can't do it eating. You know, if eating has caused the problems, how can eating anything else solve the problems? So my position is just do a dry fast. Get my book, The Phoenix Protocol, Dry Fasting for Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension, because the Russians all agree that if you dry fast at least once, you've probably cleared up enough issues to have another 10 or 15 years of life. There's a lot more than that if you read my next book, this one, Return to Youth, because it's a combination of all these methods that I've come up with that may extend our lifespan dramatically. Dry fasting is the center pole in the circus tent. The other books service that, and you'll be happy about that as time goes on. And now that things are getting really expensive, why not do something that's free and fix you all by yourself? I'm here to show you that you can repair yourself, you can restore your health, you're in a lot more control than you think, and that's kind of the message today. Anyway, look, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that good stuff, share it, because I don't, monetize these videos. There's going to be no ads on my videos because I'm not going to interrupt what I have to tell you with some silly product that has nothing to do with what we're talking about. Anyway, that's it for the day. I'm Dr. August Dunning, and love you guys for tuning in. If your first time here, welcome. Read some of the viewer responses in the videos. I think you'll be encouraged to try this method. Anyway, love you, and looks like some waves are coming in out there. Anyway, I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.